This is a review of the old Potter's black oil sunflower seeds. On the left is the old Potter's, which you can see are actually more of a brown than a black oil. On the right is a black oil seed that I picked up at Birds Unlimited. I had 3 sets of cardinals that came every morning, every evening, and once I started feeding old Potters, they wouldn't come. I had chickadees that was eating, a pound a week at least. They quit coming when I started buying this 12-pound bag, first buying these. The problem with the old Potters is there's very little black oil, if any, in them. As you can see, they're just old, dried out, and my birds will not eat them. Thank you.